Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. With each exhale, allow any tension in your muscles to melt away. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a small, radiant light glowing there, gently pulsating with each heartbeat. This light represents your essence, the spark of unity that connects you to all living beings. Visualize this light expanding, growing larger and brighter, filling your entire being with warmth and love. As it expands, it begins to envelop you in a protective cocoon of energy. Feel your body becoming lighter and more ethereal, as if you are floating in a sea of pure light. In this sea of light, you begin to sense the presence of other beings. You feel their energy, their emotions, and their desires as if they were your own. You are connected to them, part of a vast web of consciousness that transcends time and space. As you continue to float, you are drawn towards a beautiful garden filled with vibrant, blooming flowers. This garden represents the diversity of life, each flower a unique expression of the unity you are experiencing. As you continue to float, you are drawn towards a beautiful garden filled with vibrant, blooming flowers. This garden represents the diversity of life, each flower a unique expression of the unity you are experiencing. Take a moment to walk through this garden, allowing yourself to feel the beauty and energy of each flower. As you do, you realize that each flower is also connected to the others, their roots intertwining beneath the soil, sharing sustenance and life force. As you continue to explore, you come across a calm, clear pond at the center of the garden. The water in this pond reflects the myriad colors of the flowers, creating a kaleidoscope of light and energy. closer to the pond and gaze into its surface. See your reflection, surrounded by the colors and energy of the garden. Realize that you, too, are a part of this unity, as essential and unique as any of the flowers. Feel the connection between yourself, the garden, and all living beings, a connection that transcends differences and celebrates the beauty of diversity. Take a deep breath, allowing the energy of the garden to fill your being. Slowly begin to withdraw your awareness from the garden, bringing it back to your heart center. Feel the light within you once more, now infused with the colors and energy of the garden. As you take a few more deep breaths, feel the light within you contract, returning to its original size, yet retaining the energy and love you experienced. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body, feeling the sensation of the breath and the support beneath you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you the memory of this journey and the sense of unity and interconnectedness it revealed. Remember that you can return to this garden, this place of unity, whenever you need to reconnect with the deeper truth of our shared existence.